Hello everyone, I'm Rebecca Settle, and this is my presentation for my capstone project for 5 million trees with the Girl Scouts. I am conducting a project as a graduate student at Unity College working to achieve my master's degree in sustainable business administration. Over the last year, I have been working hard in my classes to get to this point, and this is the point where I can show off all of my skills and put them to the test. This project is the end of my master's degree, and it will help to prepare me for the rest of the world and real-life environmental experiences out in the work field for my career. To complete my capstone project, I will be partnering with the Girl Scouts in the heart of Pennsylvania, located, their corporate office is located in Harrisburg, Pennsylvania. In the United States, there are 111 councils for Girl Scouts, and then in the state of Pennsylvania, there are 3 councils. One of the councils is known as the Girl Scouts in the Heart of Pennsylvania, also known as GSHPA for short. The Girl Scouts in the Heart of Pennsylvania is made up of more than 13,500 girls, and they cover 30 counties in central and northeastern PA, all listed here. And here's a little diagram of the Girl Scouts in the heart of Pennsylvania and where they cover their headquarters located in Harrisburg, some of their camps and service centers, stuff like that. In order to complete my capstone project, I will be working closely with the Director of Outdoor and Program Experiences. Her name is Latricia, and I will be helping to coordinate and organize the newest program that the Girl Scouts of PA all together are rolling out, which is the Girl Scout Tree Promise. The Girl Scouts will plant, protect, and honor 5 million trees by 2026. This is a conservation initiative to help promote the importance of trees and our planet and to help educate the girls on the environmental impact that trees have on our environment. I will be taking charge of the project, and I will be planning, educating, and executing some tree plantings and working with the Girl Scouts in the heart of Pennsylvania and some local businesses that want to partner with them. And I will be scheduling at least 2 tree plantings in the fall and 2 in the spring to hopefully help get to that goal of 5 million trees by 2026. I will be creating a framework and a concept and scope for the troops and the girls to plan their own tree plantings over the next 5 years without needing the guidance of Latricia. Then I will be creating a way for the GSHPA to measure their successes along the way and keep track of how many trees that they have played a part in planting. The GSHPA has partnered with the Chesapeake Bay Foundation. Their purpose, the Chesapeake Bay Foundation's purpose, is to keep the Chesapeake Bay clean and healthy, and their motto is Save the Bay. The Chesapeake Bay Foundation has created a partnership called the Keystone 10 Million Tree Partnership, and described on their website, the Keystone 10 Million Tree Partnership is a collaborative effort of national, regional, state, and local agency, conservation organizations, outdoor enthusiasts, businesses, and citizens committing to improving Pennsylvania's communities, economy, and ecology by planting 10 million trees throughout the Commonwealth of Pennsylvania. So the Girl Scouts has partnered to plant 5 million trees along with the 10 million that Pennsylvania has set as a whole. There are many important factors to this project. Planting trees can have a huge impact on the environment. For example, becoming a habitat for the creatures in the ecosystem, improving water quality, which all ties back to the Chesapeake Bay Foundation and their goal of keeping the Chesapeake Bay clean. The streams here in central Pennsylvania, they all flow into the Susquehanna River, which leads to the Chesapeake Bay, which eventually all leads to the ocean. Most importantly, though, trees, oxygen can help us to breathe, and a healthy 100-foot tall tree can take 11,000 gallons of water from the soil and release it into the air as oxygen and water vapor in a single growing season. I think that the most important part for the Girl Scouts is really the education that they're going to be getting out of this project. Um, our impact now is going to affect future generations, and educating younger and future generations is very important because the future is in their hands. Um, when thinking of making the world a better place, I like to think of the future generations and so sorry about my dogs. When thinking of future generations, I think of making the world a better place and teaching them the importance of making the world a better place. And I think that educating younger generations is where we need to start. Um, so I think we should focus on the girls that are in Girl Scouts. Um, I think that the actions of them planting the trees themselves is also going to help them remember every time they see trees or think of trees, the experience that they had and what they learned from Girl Scouts and tree planting. Also, the Girl Scouts is all about teaching girls to be better and to be leaders and to help change the world. So, in the Girl Scout mission statement, it states Girl Scouting builds girls of courage, confidence, and character who make the world a better place. And even in the Girl Scout promise, the Girl Scout promise states that I will respect myself and others, respect authority, use resources wisely, make the world a better place, and to be a sister to every Girl Scout. With my knowledge from school over the past year and what I know so far, I will be able to coordinate the most sustainable way for the trees to get planted in an organized manner. And Latricia really wants me to incorporate as much sustainability that I can into running this whole project. And I think this will help me gain some experience for my career field that I want to go into, and I would love to make a difference, and knowing that I could potentially do something that helps educate the future generation and make a huge impact on the community and work with someone like the Girl Scouts, I think is a good place to start. Thank you.